Okay, first of all, good morning to all of you. By the grace of great Vaheguru and great God, let us start the today's session. Our today's topic is filling of energy level. Filling of energy level, and we will see that how the Fermi level is going to change with the rise of temperature. Okay. Till now, what we have understood that, what we have studied that, we have studied that at T is equal to 0 Kelvin, at T is equal to 0 Kelvin, T is equal to 0 Kelvin. What is Fermi level? Please speak loudly. What is Fermi level? Topmost field level. Topmost field level. Topmost field level at T is equal to 0 Kelvin is called Fermi level. And the energy corresponding to that level is called a Fermi energy. It's called a Fermi energy that is represented by EF naught. EF naught. EF naught means Fermi energy at 0 Kelvin. Fermi energy at 0 Kelvin. And we have studied that the levels below the Fermi levels are all occupied and above all are empty. Above all are empty. Okay. The Fermi levels के जो नीचे के levels हैं all are filled. All are filled. Okay. And above all are empty. Above all are empty. Okay. Now we will see that. See this is the surface. This is 0, and this side along y-axis energy is going to change. Energy is going to increase. Now see. This is a one energy state. So one energy state contains two electrons with opposite spin. With the opposite spin, will spin up and will spin down. Plus half and minus half. Okay. Now see, as we are filling the electrons, in the energy levels, so we can see that the gap between the levels is also going to increase. Okay. Gap is also increased and electrons are filling in this pattern. And this is the maximum level. This is the maximum level up to which all the electrons, all the levels get filled. So this level is called a Fermi level. This level is called a Fermi level, and the energy corresponding to this level is called Fermi energy, and it is represented by EF naught. Okay. Below this, all the levels are filled and above all are empty. And what is the most essential condition for this criteria to be happen? Yes, this is true for T is equal to 0 Kelvin. T is equal to 0 Kelvin. So this is the vacuum. So this is the surface energy. This is the surface energy. So this is true for T is equal to 0 Kelvin. T is equal to 0 Kelvin. Okay. When T is equal to 0 Kelvin, topmost field level is called a Fermi level. पक्का क्वेश्चन आता है इस पे. Fermi level, Fermi energy, 2 marks का question in the last semester. Okay. And what do you mean by density of states? इसमें पक्का आता है. 1000%. Okay. 1000% the question will come. Question will ask on the topic of Fermi level, Fermi energy, and density of states. And so we have seen that this is the Fermi level, and this is all true for T is equal to 0. Any doubt from this part? Any doubt? Now see, classical physics. See, this is the description put by the quantum mechanics. Okay, classically, classical physics says that all the electrons have the 0 point energy. But in the quantum mechanics, we have seen that not all the electrons have the 0 point energy, but rather than we are getting a discrete energy levels. We are getting a discrete or quantized energy levels. We are getting a discrete. Okay. We are getting a discrete or quantized energy levels. Okay, quantized energy levels. So this is the most important description. This is the most. If we want to draw a conclusion in one line, so what is the conclusion? We are getting a discrete. See, this is a different energy level. This is a different energy different energy. Like you are sitting, you are sitting in the class. You are sitting in a class. Okay. So just like that. So all these students have the different energies according to their benches. Okay. Similarly on that, this level has different energy. This level has different energy corresponding to the different. And you see the spacing is also going to be increased. Any doubt from Hindi students? हिंदी वालों को समझ आ रहा है? नहीं आ रहा है? इंग्लिश ज़्यादा होगी थोड़ी है ना? For interested students, are you getting this? Okay, so I will make my lecture. I will try to make my lecture in English and Hindi both, so that it would be a communicable and understandable. Okay, तो हिंदी में बता रहा हूँ बेटा कि जो क्लासिकल फिजिक्स कहती है कि सभी जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है उनकी 0 पॉइंट एनर्जी होती है. कितनी होती है? 0 पॉइंट. पर क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स क्या कहती है? सभी की 0 पॉइंट एनर्जी नहीं होती. ठीक है, सभी की 0 पॉइंट एनर्जी नहीं होती. जबकि और असली में क्या होता है? क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स ये कहती है कि जो लेवल्स हैं, जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं, उनकी अलग अलग एनर्जी होती है. उनकी क्या होती है? अलग अलग. वो क्या कह रहा है कि 0 पॉइंट एनर्जी होती है, सेम होती है 0 पॉइंट. और क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स क्या कह रही है? सेम नहीं होती, डिफरेंट होती है. क्या होती है? डिफरेंट एनर्जीज होती हैं. ठीक है, और हमें क्या मिलते हैं एनर्जी लेवल्स? डिस्क्रीट. क्या मिलते हैं? डिस्क्रीट एनर्जी लेवल्स मिलते हैं. क्वांटाइज्ड एनर्जी लेवल मिलते हैं. क्या मिलते हैं? ओके, क्वांटाइज्ड का मतलब फिक्स्ड, एक सर्टेन वैल्यू. बेटा से जहाँ तो इलेक्ट्रॉन की एनर्जी ये होगी, जहाँ ये होगी, इन बिटवीन है नहीं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल मैं कहूँ कि ये लेवल है, एक ये लेवल है. Let us say this level is equal to 1 electron volt. Let us say this level is equal to 3 electron volt. ठीक है, तो जो इस लेवल पे इलेक्ट्रॉन रह रहा है उसकी एनर्जी कितनी होगी? 1. यहाँ पे रह रहा है 3. इन बिटवीन वैल्यू इज नॉट सपोज टू नो. तो वो क्या कहता था? क्लासिकल क्या कहती थी कि एक ही लेवल में सभी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं. ओके, सबकी एनर्जी क्या है? सेम. बट इन क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स ओनली ऑफ फ्रिक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके, सॉरी. But according to quantum mechanics, we have a discrete energy levels. We have a discrete or quantized energy level. So this is the most important conclusion that we can draw from this. Let us write 2 lines. And see how we can make a distribution of these electrons in this level. How we can make हम electrons को इस energy levels पे कैसे भरते हैं? कैसे भरा जाता है? कौन सा प्रिंसिपल हमें बताता है? Which principle allows us to fill the electrons in these energy levels? Yes, please speak loudly. Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle. What's the meaning of it? What the Pauli says? No two electrons can have the same 4 quantum. 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के चारों क्वांटम नंबर सेम नहीं हो सकते. कुछ ना कुछ एक, ठीक है ना. लास्ट में जो स्पिन वाला क्वांटम नंबर है वो क्या हो जाता है? अलग हो जाता है. ठीक है, गेट टू पॉइंट. तो ये बताता है टू प्लीज राइट 2 or 3 लाइंस. पॉइंट नंबर 1, डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन द अलाउड एनर्जी लेवल्स. हिंदी वालों को समझ आया? सबको हिंदी वालों बच्चों को समझ आया? The distribution of electrons in the allowed energy levels. The distribution of electrons in the allowed energy levels follow. Please write with the right pen. Pauli's exclusion principle allows. Pauli's exclusion principle. Pauli's exclusion principle. Point number 2. Kx, ky, kz and ms. Kx, ky, kz and ms. Kx, ky, kz and ms are 4 quantum numbers. Representing the state of a system. for a set of kx, ky and kz, for a set of kx, ky and kz, we have two value of ms, plus half, minus half. Corresponding to this set, we have our two values of ms. One is plus half, another is for minus half. This is for spin up, this is for spin down. Okay. Last point. It means that each state is doubly degenerate. Each state is doubly degenerate. Please write. I'll tell you the meaning of degeneracy. Each state is doubly degenerate. Now see, what's the meaning of degenerate? Degenerate word has to be basically derived from the degeneracy. What is degeneracy? Give a heading in the note. What is degeneracy? Degeneracy is number of quantum states having the same value of energy. So please write number of quantum states. Number of quantum state number of quantum states having same value of energy. ठीक है, हर एक स्टेट में कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं? दो है ना, ठीक है. ईच स्टेट कंटेन टू इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, सो इट मींस इट इज अ doubly degenerate. It is a doubly degenerate. What is degeneracy? Here degeneracy is equal to 2. Degeneracy is equal to 2. अगर तीन हो गए, let us suppose that 3 electrons are there. Then what is degeneracy? 3. What is degeneracy? 3. So this is the meaning of degenerate. So this state is a doubly degenerate. This is a doubly degenerate. Are you getting my point? You know the meaning of degenerate. Degeneracy means number of energy levels, number of quantum states having a same value of energy. Having the same value of energy. हिंदी में बताता हूँ आपको. For example, I'll tell you. Let us say that मैं कहूँ कि अगर मैं कहूँ कि पहले बेंच पे मान लीजिए 5 बच्चे बैठे, मान लीजिए 4 बच्चे बैठे और मैंने हर एक को 100 का नोट दिया. तो नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हैविंग द सेम मनी और सेम वैल्यू, कितने स्टूडेंट्स हो गए? 4. कितने हो गए? 4. अगर मैं 3 को दूं तो कितने हो गए? तो इन द फर्स्ट केस द degeneracy is 4 and in the second case the degeneracy is 3. And if I'm giving a 100 rupees note to the 2 students, then what's the meaning of it? Degeneracy is equal to 2. So let us suppose that I'm giving a 100 rupees note to the only one student. So it follows that the degeneracy is going to be a. आपको समझ आया? Joseph, are you getting this? Okay. So degeneracy means number of quantum states having the same value of energy. Now see, this is one state, this is another state, but having the ये same energy में है ना, ये क्या है? Same energy. अभी जो पहला बेंच है, पहले बेंच पे कितने बच्चे बैठे हैं? सेम लेवल पे 3. व्हाट इज degeneracy? 3. अगले बेंच पे मान लीजिए 2 बच्चे बैठे हैं, तो व्हाट इज degeneracy? 2. उससे अगले बेंच पे मान लीजिए एक ही बच्चा बैठा है, तो degeneracy is 1. Okay, let us suppose that on the first bench 3 students are present. So what is degeneracy? 3. On the second bench, let us assume that 2 students are present. So what is degeneracy? 2. Assume that on the third bench the number of students are present on or are sitting on the third bench is 1. So degeneracy is going to be a, so degeneracy means number of quantum states having the same value of G, and these energy levels are quantized. These energy levels are quantized. This is the basic thing. Okay. Now please write. It means n number of electrons के लिए कितने हो जाएगा फिर? Let us assume that there is n number of electrons. Let us assume that there is n number of electrons. So what is the field energy levels? N by so n electrons are going to occupy in the n by 2 energy levels at T is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. Okay. T is equal to. So what is the topmost field level? What is the topmost field level? N by 2. N by 2 level is the topmost field level. This is the topmost field level. Topmost field level. And this is going to be a. This is going to be a. This is going to be a Fermi level. This is going to be a Fermi level. Fermi level. So please write. This level is called Fermi level. This level is called a Fermi level, and it divides the filled and empty levels, and it divides. ये divide करता है ना? It divides the filled levels and empty levels at T is equal to 0. T is equal to 0. Now please write the next question. What is the effect of temperature on Fermi level? ये क्वेश्चन आता है. What is the effect of temperature? Can you write this? Can you write this diagram? What is the effect of temperature on Fermi level? What is the effect of temperature on Fermi level? Or what is the effect of temperature? Second question is, what is the effect of temperature on the occupancy of energy levels? On the occupancy of energy levels. Or third question is, discuss the variation of Fermi level with temperature. Discuss the variation of Fermi level with temperature. So initially, basically, we have assumed that we are considering the temperature is T is equal to 0 Kelvin. See, as we increase the temperature, as we increase the temperature, that is for T greater than 0 Kelvin, what will happen? क्या होगा? जैसे ही हमने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को एनर्जी दी तो क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, नीचे वाले इलेक्ट्रॉन्स क्या हैं? जंप करके as we increase the temperature, what will happen? The electron will move from low energy level to the high level. तो ये एक वैसा ही केस है. मान लीजिए आपके पास कोई पैसा नहीं है और मैंने आपको 1000 रुपया दे दिए. I have given the 1000 rupees to each of student. What you will do? तो आप क्या करोगे? आप हर जैसे आपने पैसे लिए, एनर्जी आई, आप हर स्टेट पे चले गए, आपने क्या किया? उसको खाने पीने में उड़ा दिया. और जब खाना खत्म हो गया, जब पैसे खत्म हो गए, तो वापस फिर कहाँ चले आए? वापस घर में चले आए. ठीक है, वही होता है ना. Similarly, as we increase the temperature, ठीक है, for T greater than 0 Kelvin, comma Fermi level may not be the topmost field level. तो Fermi level topmost field level नहीं रहेगा. The Fermi level may not be the topmost field level. Fermi level may not be the topmost. Fermi level may not be the topmost field level because some of the electrons from the field levels may be excited to higher energy levels. तो सी यहाँ पे देखिए, देखिए जैसे ही टेम्परेचर एज टू इंक्रीज द टेम्परेचर व्हाट विल हैपन, तो जो फर्मी लेवल के नीचे लेवल के इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं वो क्या करेंगे, जंप करके इस लेवल में आएंगे. तो जो फाइव वो तीन टॉप, वो जो बेसिक कंडीशन थी कि फर्मी लेवल का है टॉप मोस्ट फील्ड लेवल, वो क्या हो गई, वो क्या हो गई, that get okay, may be excited to the higher energy levels. Next point, hence some of the levels ये खाली हो गया, ये भर गया ना, ये डायग्राम डाल लेना. hence some of the levels below EF naught को क्या हो जाएंगे, empty. वो क्या हो जाएंगे, empty. और ऊपर वाले हो जाएंगे, वो filled हो जाएंगे. उल्टा हो गया, ठीक है. hence some of the levels below EF naught would be empty, while some of the levels above are filled. Some of the levels below the EF naught, below the Fermi level, get empty and above are filled. And this is going to true for which temperature? T greater than 0 Kelvin. T greater than 0. What is the formula of thermal energy? kT. What is the formula of thermal energy? kT. What is K? Boltzmann constant. T is called a Boltzmann. But what is T? Temperature. T is the temperature. Okay. तो while some of the levels above are occupied, और तो इसका मतलब है अगर मुझे if we want to know the occupancy of an energy level, what I have to do, so I will introduce a new quantity, and that new quantity is called a Fe. That quantity is called a Fe, and that Fe is called a Fermi distribution function. That Fe is called a Fermi distribution function. Fermi distribution function. तो ये Fermi distribution function मुझे क्या बताएगा? It will tell me the occupancy of energy level at energy level E. So please write. Next point, with the red pen, the probability that a particular quantum state, तो probability आ गई ना फिर, then a term with probability will arise because we don't know which state is filled or which state is empty. So all will depend upon the probability whether a student will present in the class or not. Okay, what is the probability of for the students to present in the class? What's the maximum probability? 1. And what's minimum probability? So the probability lies between 0 and 0 means 0% and 1 means 100%. Okay. Now let us say that today is Friday. Today is what is the date today? What is the date today? 31st of August 2023. Now let us say that today the probability of rain is 1/3. probability of happening the rain is 1 by 3. And what's the next probability? 1. So what is the probability of not getting the rain? 2 by 3. How we are getting? See. So PR plus PR bar. PR bar is equal to 1. PR means probability of happening the rain, and PR bar means probability of not happening the rain, and that is going to 1. Okay. So 1 by 3 plus PR bar 1. So PR bar is equal to 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. 2 by 3 means 66%. 2 by 3 means 66. और 1 by 3 means 33%. इसका मतलब है कि 33% प्रोबेबिलिटी है रेन होगी, 66% 66% है प्रोबेबिलिटी है रेन है. So similarly, we introduce a term which is called a Fermi distribution function. So it is basically it is nothing but it is a probability. It is a probability for a particular quantum state having energy E. Having energy E. This is right, the probability that a particular quantum state of energy E is occupied. Occupied basically in a field. Is occupied field. Occupied का मतलब क्या होता है? Field. The probability that a particular quantum state of energy E is occupied or filled at a temperature T. At a temperature T is called Fermi function. It's called a Fermi function. It's called a Fermi function. तो इसके कई नाम हैं, Fermi function और Fermi distribution function. One and same thing. One and F is called Fermi distribution function or Fermi function, or it is also called a probability. It is also called a probability of occupancy. Probability of occupancy. What is the probability? What is the probability of occupancy for that particular state having a temperature T? So please write F is equal to 1 by exponential of E minus EF upon KBT. KB is called Boltzmann constant. Is temperature plus what? Plus 1. Please write that. One by exponential. Exponential को क्या होता है? E की पावर. So it is very difficult to write E की power something, so I have write EXP. EXP means the exponential. It is difficult to write. See, it is very difficult to write this E की power E minus EF. You can write out like this also. KBT plus 1. That is equal to F. You can write like this also or this also. Which one is more easy? Which one is? This one is a easy representation as compared to this. This is also true. F is equal to 1 by e raised to power E minus EF upon KBT plus 1, where KB is called Boltzmann constant, T is called temperature, EF is called Fermi energy, E is the particular quantum state of energy E. Okay, plus 1. Now see, what will happen at absolute 0 if E is less than EF? E is less than EF naught. What would happen? तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये फैक्टर माइनस हो जाएगा. इस पर माइनस ऑफ समथिंग, इस पर माइनस ऑफ जैसे आ जाएगा, इसको माइनस ऑफ समथिंग, लेट अस से इसका माइनस ऑफ कुछ आ जाएगा फैक्टर 0.2, तो ये आ जाएगा 1 by इस पर 0.2. ओके, तो ये नंबर क्या आ जाएगा? ऑलमोस्ट 0. क्या जाएगा? 0. तो 0 plus 1 1, तो 1 by 1. So similarly, when temperature is E is greater than EF naught, then this term will dominate. Okay, when this term will dominate, okay, then this F will equal to 1. Then F is equal to 1. Okay. Okay. So this is nothing a mathematical supposition. Any doubt on this part? Okay. infinity. 1 by infinity 0. Infinity means something very large. Something very large. Okay, when E is greater than EF naught, this is a very large number. This is very large number. This is very large number. And for E less than or equal to EF naught, okay, this is equal to 1. This is equal to 1. So what is Fe? Fe is called a Fermi function. It's called a Fermi function or Fermi distribution function or probability of occupancy. Now see this graph. See this graph. This is the Fe on the y-axis and on the x-axis energy is there. This is the energy axis. Now see, this is 0.5. This is 1. 1 means maximum probability for getting the electrons. 1 means electron वहाँ पे होगा ही होगा. 1 is the maximum probability. 1 is the maximum probability. So 1 means that electron would be present in that particular state is definite. Getting the point? If let us assume that Joseph is present in that class. So what's the maximum probability? 1. If the Joseph is not present, what's the minimum probability? 0. Okay, it's the maximum probability. When the probability is 1, when the probability is 1, see the graph is a step. The graph is a step. The graph is a step. See, this is a step. This is a step. तो ग्राफ ऐसे आ रहा है. And this is for a T is equal to 0 Kelvin. T is equal to 0 Kelvin. और जैसे ही as we increase the temperature, as we increase the temperature, तो ग्राफ क्या हो गया? Gradually. तो ग्राफ क्या हो गया? Gradually decrease. Gradually क्या हो गया? Decrease. So this is T1. This is for the T1. And see, for the 0 Kelvin, this energy is called EF naught. And this is called the Fermi energy at 0 Kelvin. And when we assume the temperature T1 and T1 is greater than 0 Kelvin, T1 is greater than 0 Kelvin. So the graph is like this. And when we take the temperature T2, the graph is like this. And the energy corresponding to this level is called EF. And that EF is called a Fermi energy. This EF is called a Fermi energy. Get the point? EF is called a Fermi energy. हमने देखा as we add T2 is greater than T. T2 is greater than T1. So what we have found? We have found that as we increase the temperature, the graph decreases. The Fermi distribution function decreases gradually. Okay, decreases gradually. Okay. So please write down these things. Write down these things. For T is equal to 0 Kelvin, write a point. For T is equal to 0 Kelvin, for T is equal to 0 Kelvin, the Fermi distribution function Fe the Fermi distribution function is a step function. It is a step function. Fermi distribution function Fe is a step function. ये देखिए step पढ़ रहा है ना? ये क्या बन रहा? Step. The step function. And all the states and all the energy states below EF naught. And all the energy states below EF naught are filled. And above are empty. And this is true for T is equal to for this T is equal to 0. This is for T is equal to 0. So EF naught is the highest filled level. So EF naught is the highest filled level at T is equal to 0. At T is equal to 0 Kelvin. Any doubt from this part? Please write next point. Point number 2, as we increase the temperature, for temperature greater than 0 Kelvin, ऐसे लिखो, for T greater than 0 Kelvin, for T greater than 0 Kelvin, for T greater than 0 Kelvin, Fe loses its step character. Fe Fermi function loses its step character. Fe loses, LOSES loses its step character and decreases gradually from 1 to 0. ऊपर से क्या आया, ये नीचे आया, from 1 to 0, near EF, 1 to 0 near EF. Right with the red pen. This shows that, ये क्या बता रहा है? This shows that some of the states below EF, are फर्मी लेवल पे जो नीचे स्टेट्स होगी, अब टेम्परेचर बढ़ा दिया है, वो क्या हो जाएंगी, खाली हो जाएंगी, ऊपर वाली क्या हो जाएंगी, भर जाएंगी. ओके, फॉर इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स for T greater than 0 Kelvin, the states below the Fermi levels get vacant and above are filled. This shows that some of the states below EF are empty, while some others above are कुछ स्टेट्स बनेंगी, ठीक है, कुछ खाली हो जाएंगी, भर जाएंगी. जैसे पीछे वाले बच्चे छोड़ के अगर जगह खाली हो तो आगे आ जाते हैं ना, वही वाला काम, ठीक है. while some others above are filled. This is because, ये क्यों होता है, क्योंकि एनर्जी मिल जाती है. This is because some of the electrons below EF, अब देखो जैसे हम T बढ़ाते हैं तो क्या बढ़ जाता है, जैसे हमने T बढ़ाया, what will happen, as we increase T तो क्या बढ़ा, KT बढ़ गया, क्या बढ़ गया, KT. as we increase T तो KT will increase. KT means thermal energy will increase. And what is KT? KT means thermal energy. Okay, so please write as we increase T, some of the electrons below EF gain thermal energy and get excited to the states above EF, and get excited to the states above EF, So at E is equal to EF, this is question number 1, this is question number 2. So equation 1 becomes, now see if E is equal to EF minus EF 0. So Fe is equal to 1 by exponential EF minus EF upon KBT plus 1. Okay. फ्रेंड्स ये भी बना लेना, ठीक है, ये बॉक्स भी बना लेना. T बढ़ा, T बढ़ने से KT बढ़ा, KT मतलब थर्मल एनर्जी बढ़ी और इलेक्ट्रॉन्स नीचे से ऊपर चले गए. फर्मी लेवल को क्या कर लिया उन्होंने, क्रॉस कर, ठीक है. तो EF माइनस EF क्या आया, 0 पॉइंट समथिंग 0, e raised to power 0 1, e raised to power 0 1, 1 plus 1 2, 1 plus 1 होता है, 1 plus 1 क्या होता है, 2. मैं लिख देता हूँ 1 by exponential 0 by KBT plus 1 by exponential 0. Exponential 0 क्या था बेटा, exponential 0 means e raised to power 0, e raised to power 0 क्या होता है 1, that is 1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 1 by, so what is the occupancy 1 by 2 क्या आ गई 1 by 2 means 0.5, 1 by 2 means 0.5, 1 by 2 means 0.5, तो कितनी प्रोबेबिलिटी रह गई आधी, कितनी रह गई आधी, so we have a 50% probability, we are getting a 50% probability at which level, at which level, at which level, at E is equal to EF, at E is equal to EF, and what is the condition, T greater than 0, T greater than 0 Kelvin. So please write, hence for the temperature greater than 0 Kelvin, खत्म करते हैं इसको, 2 पॉइंट्स रह गए, hence for temperature, hence for temperature, hence for temperature greater than, hence for temperature greater than 0 Kelvin, comma, Fermi level may be defined as, Fermi level may be defined as, Fermi level may be defined as the level where the probability of occupation is 1 by 2. Fermi level may be defined as, the probability may be defined as, a level, Fermi level may be defined as a level where the probability of occupancy is 1 by 2. नोट लिखिए, नोट, so EF naught is not the topmost, अब EF naught क्या हुआ, it is not the topmost field level for T greater than 0 Kelvin. नोट लिखिए for T greater than 0 Kelvin, नोट लिखिए for T, नोट for T greater than 0 Kelvin क्या होगा, EF is not the topmost field level, topmost field level, EF is not a topmost field level, EF is not a topmost field level, so it lies between field level and empty level. वहां पे डिवाइड करता था, वहां पे क्या करता था डिवाइड, यहाँ पे लाई करता था, so it lies between field level and empty levels. Hence Fermi level is not fixed. इसे क्या निकला, what is the conclusion, hence Fermi level is not a fixed, but it changes with the temperature, changes with the temperature. तो बेटा लास्ट में ये एक एक्सप्रेशन है, ये कैसे चेंज होता है ये लिख लेते हैं, EF is equal to, EF is approximately equal to EF naught, लास्ट एक्सप्रेशन है EF naught into 1 minus pi square by 12 1 minus pi square by 12 kBT divided by EF naught का square. So this is the expression, this is the expression कि EF कैसे चेंज होता है, EF is approximately equal to EF naught into 1 minus pi square by 12, pi square by 12, pi square by 12 into kBT divided by EF naught square. So this is the expression that how the Fermi level is going to change. तो इस पे definitely question आता है. And for the new students, students, this is our YouTube channel, DGNDJ Physics. You can subscribe this. आज क्लास किधर बोल रहे हैं?